Hello everybody, I am Tadashi Mori, and in this video here I'll show you how to make this origami piano. This is a very easy origami, and this one was one of the first origamis I learned when I was 7 years old. And this video here is only possible thanks to all my channel members, so a big shout out to them. Thanks a lot everyone for supporting my channel. Now let's start the tutorial. So to make this origami, you're going to use a square sheet of paper, and you will start with the white side facing towards you. Now you're going to fold the paper in half. Now you're going to fold and unfold the model in half along this direction. Now fold the sides of the model up to the middle line. Now you're going to open the side flap. And to do it, you're going to insert the finger here all the way up to the top of the model, and then you spread the layers like this. Now you're going to do the same thing here on the other side. Now fold the front flap upward. And you're going to fold this front flap again in half. Now you're going to fold both layers together downwards. And here on this flap, you're going to draw the keys of the piano. So, after you finish drawing, you're going to fold both sides to the middle, and then you open it so the fold is at 90 degrees. Now you fold the front layer upward a little bit, and the model is done. This is a very easy model made for kids, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please do not forget to click on the like button and to subscribe in my channel. As always, be nice to the others and to yourself. Thanks for watching this video. See you, bye bye.